I think this is a win for the defense. Right before we came back for cross-examination, the attorneys were talking to the judge outside the presence of the jury, on the record, of course, and here was the conclusion of a discussion about what the defense could ask or couldn't ask, and the judge said, bottom line, the defense cannot get into details of a conviction of Alex Cox because it was long enough ago he didn't find it relevant. However, given the questions asked, he said the defense can ask the reason why Alex Cox could not purchase a firearm and the underlying reason about whether or not he had any felony convictions. The answer being he couldn't purchase firearms because of his felony conviction. I think, Michael, that's a huge win for the defense that they're allowed to ask even those limited questions.
I think it's a massive win for the defense, and you reminded me of one of my first cases. The senior attorney was a former judge, right? And we were defending a rape case, and the victim had done 15 years for attempted murder, and we knew that it couldn't get admitted, but the judge wanted the jury to hear him ask the question, right? And so he was able to ask some questions about the prior conviction. It led to an acquittal of the defendant, right? It's always beneficial for your client as a defense attorney if you could ask a question about somebody who's not involved in that case, outside of the case, who has done a heinous act in the exact situation that your client is in. It's always beneficial.